Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel on do-it-yourself home projects and real home product reviews. If you're interested in saving yourself time and money by watching informative instructional videos and also just general recommendations on what products are awesome or not, be sure to subscribe. In this video, we're going to be reviewing this wood-burning stove. We'll look at some basic facts on most modern wood-burning stoves as well as speak to you a little bit about some benefits. Now, I'll put a link in the description below for this specific or a similar wood-burning stove if you are interested in checking that out, and also specific all the specs and whatnot of those stoves. So don't hold me to anything, but here is what we're looking at. Got a heavy duty cast iron door frame that's super solid and creates an airtight seal around that glass. Some sculpted legs here. Now you see this one is sitting on top of a hard surface. There is your air control pulling in or out to control the airflow and basically whether or not air gets to your primary burn. Now you can see we have our chimney here, which is basically a series of tubes, nice painted black that brings all that exhaust outside of your home. I definitely recommend you hire a professional for this. I am most certainly not qualified and wanted to make sure that this was done right. We had to cut a hole in the ceiling and out through the top of the roof and make sure that was all sealed up professionally. So make sure you hire a subcontractor and whatnot. Now this, you're looking at the top underside of the inside of the burn box. We've got a secondary burn system. Now that brick that you're seeing there is firebrick. Now this stuff, and a good question to ask yourself, does it use this volcanic pumice or does it use a heavier duty firebrick that's clay based? Now these things are super cool, nice radiant heat. It's got cool air moving up as there's a fire inside, the cool air moves up and radiates outward and pushes warm air into the room. Now this is great for, small homes, cabins and whatnot. There's a look at that door handle feature again. Now you did see a surface, a cook surface. You can actually use the cook surface here to warm up. It actually produces quite a bit of heat. There's another look at the inside of that door, the airtight seal. No issues there with air coming out whatsoever. This is a really highly made, quite expensive wood-burning stove. However, it's one of those things that, well, it's an investment, right? You want to pay a little bit more to get some better quality, but it won't break the bank. There's another look at those fire bricks on the inside, super well insulated. Now, one advantage of this wood-burning stove is you don't have to have brick on the other side of it as your wall. You can have drywall, you can have, whatever you want as long as it is a certain distance around. There's a better look at behind it. You can see we've got some wood paneling behind there. Now this one does not have a bypass damper, so you're going to want to ask about that on a model that you are considering. But it's got a sizable 18-inch burn box and the glass basically self-cleans. So in all, this wood-burning stove is classy, it provides a lot of nice radiant heat, and it burns basically a cleaner, hotter fire using a secondary combustion option, which basically means none of that nasty creosote stuff that traditionally lines your chimney and makes smoke. All that stuff is reburned and creates, as I said, a cleaner, hotter fire. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, do me a favor, click that subscribe button. Appreciate it. Thanks for being with me.